boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Lana Del Rey with this beautiful song called Let's Say Yes to Heaven. So with Lana Del Rey, like always, very elegant, and I really like this picking pattern here. We have three grips or so, and it goes like that through the entire song. So let's take a look at this song here. With a capo set on the 2nd fret, that's the absolute best scenario for this song, I believe. So capo on 2nd, and the first grip, it's based upon something like C major 7. All right, so you hold 3rd fret on the A and 2nd fret on D. All right, so you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, and open B. Then you go to the next grip here, based on something like the D. It's the same grip, you just move it up 2 frets here. So you'll land on the 5th fret A and 4th fret D. And here you're gonna play 5th A, 4th D, then open G, and open B. So that you play one round, and then the final grip here is based upon the E minor chord or so, and it's this grip, 7th on A and 5th on D. And then you play 7th on A, 5th on D, open G again, and open B again. This you play for 2 rounds, and that's it. So this C major grip, 1 round. Then you slide up to the same position there, grip but the different position there on the D for 1 round, and then the final E minor for 2 rounds. So slowly 1 round of this picking pattern goes like this. So very easy to handle this with a capo here on 2nd. So in standard tempo, something like this. Alright, so that pretty much covers Lana Del Rey's Say Yes to Heaven. Beautiful song, give it a try guys, and a great way to practice your pickings there if you go with a pick or with your fingers like I'm used to. Anyway, this is Lana Del Rey, Say Yes to Heaven. Till next time, play tuned.